Aion is a robust, smart contract-enabled blockchain ecosystem that's really looking to change the way blockchains connect with one another.
Well, we're a smart contract platform. We've been around since about 2017. The majority of our team kind of traces its roots back to about 2014 when we were working at Deloitte. We were working on problems in the enterprise market.
Which was created by the same folks behind the popular startup Nuco.
Some of you are building trade finance systems and healthcare systems and insurance systems and payment systems.
The Aion Network is really an interoperability network,
where these use cases don't have to be segregated and isolated one from the other.
You can kind of think of Aion as a translator between blockchains.
How do you move transactional data off of one blockchain, allow it to arrive in another blockchain without ever relying on a centralized intermediary? So first and foremost, we went out and said, let's build secure smart contract templates in Java so that we can create a library of contract templates that people can start deploying to templates including ATS tokens, non-fungible tokens, multi-sig wallets, and others.
Let's say I am Cardano and you are Zcash, okay? Our blockchains are going to be vastly different. Aion is ultimately going to enable these blockchains to cohesively work together and understand each other for the betterment of a whole. Okay.
And so the decision to go with Java was really a decision around maturity, performance, and adoption, so that we could actually take advantage of a lot of the ecosystem that surrounded it.
Aion's team actually took inspiration from the way that our internet works today with TCP/IP. It provided a base framework, a standard by which all data was sent, received, and indexed as it's used on the internet in all communications that occur today.
And I'll walk you through this design that we call bridging.
Aion is calling the transwarp conduit technology, which is essentially the name they've given their bridging technology to have Ethereum communicate with Bitcoin and Ethereum communicate with Aion all through the Aion technology, transwarp conduit.
We're going to be publishing developer tools. Some of these are already live and available. Integrations to Maven, IntelliJ, and Eclipse. Three of the most commonly used tools by Java developers, with plugins to support AVM capabilities so that you can write smart contracts. And finally, a suite of APIs to make it really easy depending on what type of application and system you're building. And all of these things kind of become intertwined one to the other.
At the end of 2018, the Aion ERC20 tokens were successfully migrated using the same bridge technology that Aion uses to create interoperability between blockchains from Ethereum to their Aion mainnet.
The other concept we have is this concept of scaling. I want to talk to you a little bit about Unity and the design we're working towards for consensus. Unity is a hybrid proof of work and proof of stake system. Miners can continue mining and providing security to the network, while stakers can start participating in a new way through two major milestones that are coming up for Aion on our roadmap over the course of the next couple of months.
And in 2019, this year, Aion's main goal is to move all of their new virtual machine technology, some of the updates to their smart contract platform, into mainnet. And that progress is ongoing and working great.
First and foremost, on the Aion virtual machine, this is a system that's been live in its own testnet for since about December. So you can expect to see the AVM on the live public network in June for smart contracts to be able to execute using Java through the AVM. The release schedule for Unity is looking like we're going to have the paper released in early May. We're expecting Unity to be forked into the public network by Q4 of this year, so that you'll be able to start staking as well as mining on top of the Aion network.